Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Helios 44-2 that I have. So this is a serial number. Okay, this is the condition of the front glass. This is the behind. This is the side. Focusing is smooth. The blades, they are functional and smooth. Okay, now I'm going to do a shine test. But before that, I show you the glass first. Okay, so there you go. If you like this, then you can let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.